Hello loves, I'm Bree. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. Hello everyone! I am so excited about today's plan with me because we are in the month of March, and that means we only have a few weeks before it starts getting hot around here. So excited! So we're going to do our monthly plan with me for March 2022. So I'm going to take these sheets out and we're going to get right to it. The books we are using today, we have quite a few books here. Botanicals, bringing some of the old sticker books back. Memory Keeping, Dates, Holidays, Budget, Household, and Mojo, JoJo Plans. So those are the books we're using. The stickers we are using is the March stickers. So pretty. These are a digital download from Tra-La-La printable stickers, and these are what we're using today. We also have a dashboard, and I'll be putting these links in the description box below just in case you're interested. Isn't this gorgeous to represent St. Patrick's Day in March? This is so pretty. I will put her link in the description box below. And we're going to get started with our sideboard. So I'm going to white out a few things here. So this sticker has some headers. It's a kit. Like I said, it's a digital download. So we're going to go ahead and pull this off for this side. And this is a Happy Planner kit. So like I said, I am so excited because we have just a few more weeks before the weather changes. And I can start decorating for spring. I don't really do a lot of decorating for spring because spring is kind of short. I do my decorating really for summer. So if I do decorate for spring, it's more like a spring-summer kind of thing. Put in the comments below when you start decorating for spring, or do you decorate for spring at all? Some people don't even decorate for spring. So now we're going to go to the sidebar, and I got this cute little sticker that she's in Paris. And it has this month on top. So we're going to go ahead and put this on here evenly. And then we'll put some kind of decor down at the bottom. Okay, so we have this here. And let's see. That's all we're going to put there. Let me look at my little notes here, because I know that we have some other details I need to put on here. So I have this little cute little flower that came from Botanicals, and I thought it matched somewhat with the kit, and I think I want to put this on here somewhere. Like I said, we don't have that. We have some nice space that we can play around with. Do I want to put this here? I might have to come back to see where I want to put this. So the first is a Mardi Gras. Do you guys celebrate Mardi Gras? So we have that. I think those flowers really match that pretty well. So we have International Women's Day on the 8th, Daylight Savings Time on the 13th. Spring begins on the 20th, guys. Great. Love it, love it, love it. So we have our memory keeping, and we're going to pull some spring because I didn't do that. Shame on me. Daylight savings time on this one on the 13th. So we'll put it right there. I don't know if I have a sticker. Are you serious? There's no sticker there. I must have used it. Huh. I have to come back to that because I don't see it. We have to come back to that. Maybe I can find a first day of spring sticker somewhere. I thought for sure I had one, but it doesn't look that way. Okay, so anyway, we have our daylight savings time. National Women's Day. I want that there. We'll do this one here until we can find. This will represent spring, if I can find a spring sticker somewhere. So let's go to the next page. I want to spread out my stickers. I don't want them to be jumbled all up. So we have our header for this page. Alright, so we have our header there. And then down at the bottom, we don't have anything to go here. So we're going to go ahead and put a banner at the bottom here. Payday on the 4th. And we have payday on the 10th. Payday on the 18th. And the last payday is on the 24th. And those banners fit perfectly to the colors. So we have our gas bill, which is due on the 8th. And we have our phone is due on the 8th. So this is what's happening. This is all of what's going on. On the 13th, we have 13th. Where are you? Here you go. We have a bill here. And then up here. So we have these little icons. And I have icons for these bills, but they were purple and yellow colors. And it's just, I didn't want to put those on here. So I decided to use these icons here on the bills because they look prettier. So now we can start plugging in some of these beautiful boxes. Okay, everyone. So I have this both together so I can see what's going on. And I have some box stickers that I want to stick behind these bills here because they look like they're floating. So I am going to pull this box up. Okay, so I love, as most of you know, I love angles. So putting my stickers on angle. This one. Okay, so now I think that looks better than they're just floating out there like that. We have these borders here that I want to use. I'm not sure how I want to use it though. This flower is bugging me. It's just sitting out there. Like nothing is happening. It's just sitting there. So all right. I think we can go with that. I think, all right, so I have this flower, this huge flower here that I want to do something with. And I don't want to just to be out here. I want it to anchor something. So let's try this one. Something down here. Ooh, well, I guess that's I guess that's how this is gonna stay because it's just decided that it's gonna stick there. Oh man, just having too much fun. Okay, guys, I think that's it. We're gonna place this inside the book. Okay, everyone, we're ready to pop our layout in here. And I did some things off camera, so I will share that with you once we go through our layout. Okay, again, this is from Tralala, She's from Etsy, and this is a digital download, and I will put all her information in the description box below, along with the other books that I use for this layout. So we start with the beautiful header here with those gorgeous roses. I think they're beautiful, the nice soft colors of rose. There's some peaches, light pink, very, very pretty. And the march is in green. I guess that is to represent St. Patrick's Day that's going on in this month. If not, it's very, very pretty. I like that color green. The sidebar is gorgeous. Love this sticker kit. The drawings on the decor boxes are so, so pretty. I love the background of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. She has a beautiful sundress on, looking out over that iron balcony. It's so pretty. And then she's, again, here in this nice little collage there. I like how I put this here for collage on the 8th for 2 bills. I thought that is so pretty. And then this bicycle here, I like that look also. I add some flowers from Botanical to bring some more florals here inside the calendar, instead of just on the outside of the borders, so it will flow nicely. And I think those flowers go very well with the kit. We have daylight saving time on the 13th. Spring begins on the 20th. And then we St. Patrick's Day on the 17th. Ash Wednesday on the 2nd. And the stickers that I added this sticker collage here because I had something I needed to do and not forget. So I put a little ASAP sticker that has some flowers there, nice little bow, and I'm going to go ahead and write that in. We add the St. Patty's Day with a background, a box there, and a nice little clover. I'm loving these icons. They're so, so cute. These bag of roses there, bicycle on there, and of course you've seen the roses there. We have her looking over the balcony. This is her right here, but she's miniature diagram there. And then these little rose there matches these roses. This is a very, very nice kit. Attention to detail on here is very, very nice. So this is our spread for March, the month of March 2022. I hope you guys love it. Love this couple. Isn't that cute? With the Eiffel Tower, I thought just love sticker goes so well with that in the bag of roses. So I hope you guys love it. I think it turned out very well after all of my foolishness. So I hope you guys love it. Fingers crossed. Let me know what you think in the description box, in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.